Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to use your RevJams Cleaning Kit for Apple AirPods and AirPod Case. We're going to open this up and show you everything that's included in your kit. So we have a pouch here with a cleaning solution and a 2-ounce mister. We also have 10 antibacterial cleaning wipes. Next up, we have an anti-static cleaning brush with non-abrasive premium bristles. There's also a premium microfiber cleaning cloth in gray. We have 10 foam cleaning swabs. There's a storage pouch. And 3 soft bristle brushes. So our RevJams Cleaning Kit was specially designed to include all the necessary cleaning materials, liquids, and supplies to safely and effectively clean AirPods, as well as similar audio and mobile electronic devices. Before we go further, however, it's important to note that we always recommend you limit the amount of moisture or liquid from getting into your AirPod case charging port and AirPod earbud speakers. To begin cleaning the Apple AirPod earbuds, we're going to remove the earbuds from the AirPod charging case. Apply 1 to 2 sprays of antibacterial cleaning solution to the microfiber cleaning cloth and wipe all areas of the AirPods. Gently use the anti-static bristle brush to remove pieces of dirt and debris from the speaker screen on the AirPod earbuds. Use the cotton cleaning swab with 1 to 2 sprays of antibacterial cleaning solution and gently clean the inside, surrounding area of the speaker screen, the microphone, and the charging area of the AirPods. You can also use the swab to clean any excess, hard-reaching dirt and debris that may be left over from using the brush. It's important to be careful and not use force. Now we're going to clean the AirPod case. Use 2 sprays of antibacterial cleaning solution on the microfiber cloth and begin to clean the case. Next, use 2 sprays of the antibacterial cleaning solution on the soft bristle brush. Use the brush to scrub hard-to-reach surfaces inside the AirPod cavity and the surrounding areas. Next, we're going to use the foam cleaning swabs to clean out the AirPod case charging port and any other hard-to-reach areas. To finish up, we're going to use one of our antibacterial cleaning wipes to disinfect and clean the AirPods and the case. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Be sure to check out our other cool products and cleaning kits. Have a great day. Thanks.